Hello guys, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to create video in text effect. Let's start. Add your video on timeline. I will click on the change sequence setting because of my video clip doesn't match the existing sequence setting. Here we have added the video clip. Now we have to add the text. For text, click on text icon and type your desired text what you like. I will go with hello world. Set up your text in the center of your video. And then click on new layer to create a rectangle. Make rectangle size bigger than video, so it's cover full video. Move the text layer above the rectangle layer. Now select the text track and go to Effect Controls. Under the opacity option, select the blend mode to multiply. There we go, as you can see the video is now in text. Thank you so much for your interest. Give a like and subscribe to my channel.